had orchestrated everything for us to know each other and to be together forever. I waited for you for a long time, but that wait was worth it. For God sends the perfect one, and that is you. I am so blessed knowing a man like you, who brings out the best in me and leaves me knowing God deeply. Josh, you will always be treasured in my heart, and you will always be the melody of my songs. You are the answer to my prayer, for you are the man I can see myself growing old with. Knowing that it is God's will for me to marry you, I make a commitment today in the presence of our Lord and before our family, friends, and other witnesses to become your wife and helpmate. I commit to submit to you as your spiritual covering. I will support you in achieving our vision in life, and I will encourage and inspire you all the days of my life. I will be with you in times of plenty and in times of need. My hands are always ready to comfort you, and my ears are always ready to listen to you. I promise to respect you and be faithful to you. I vow to love you unconditionally and respect you as the head of our family. I will be your partner in raising lovely and godly kids. I commit to create a happy, loving, and peaceful home environment for you and for our kids. And lastly, I commit to journey and co-labor with you in pursuing God's greater calling for both of us. I love you so much.